In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge two videos using Filmora. Filmora is a user-friendly video editing software that can help you create professional-looking videos without needing to be an expert editor. Let's dive right into the process and get your videos seamlessly merged. First, we'll begin by opening Filmora. You can download and install it from their official website if you haven't already done so. Once you open Filmora, you'll be greeted by its intuitive and straightforward interface. It's designed for smooth navigation, so take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're new to it. Now with Filmora open, our next step is to upload the two videos that you want to merge. You'll see an option to import media files. Click on it and select the respective video files from your computer. Filmora will then upload these videos to your working library. You'll see the uploaded videos in the media section ready for editing. Once your videos have been successfully uploaded, the next step is where the magic happens, adding a transition. Transitions are like bridges that seamlessly connect two videos, making the transition from one video to the next appear smooth and professional. To do this, locate the Transitions tab, which is accessible through the toolbar at the top of the screen. Click on it, and you will see a variety of transition effects available. From fades to wipes, Filmora offers an eclectic mix, so feel free to explore the options and decide which transition best suits the vibe you're aiming for. After selecting your desired transition, click, hold, and drag it onto the timeline panel, placing it precisely between the two video clips you uploaded earlier. This action effectively combines the two clips into one seamless sequence. You can then preview your work to see how the transition flows. Simply press the play button on the preview screen and watch how the transition affects the switch between your videos. This preview allows you to make any necessary adjustments before finalizing the video. If you are not quite satisfied with how it looks, feel free to experiment with different transition effects until you achieve your desired result. And just like that, you've successfully merged two videos using Filmora. The process is smooth, allowing for quick edits while still providing the sophistication needed to produce polished and professional results. Whether you're combining videos for a personal project or a professional presentation, using transitions effectively can make a significant difference in the final product. This concludes our tutorial for today. I hope you found this guide helpful and easy to follow. Keep experimenting with Filmora and you'll be editing like a pro in no time. Thanks for tuning in and happy editing.